Shotgun seized in Sandy Bay, Clarendon. Motorcyclist dies while seemingly performing stunt in Portland. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Police assigned to the Maypen Operation Support Team seized a firearm and 1 cartridge during an intelligence-led operation in Oaks Pen, Roswell, Sandy Bay in Clarendon on Monday. About 12:20 p.m., lawmen acted on information and carried out a search of an unused chicken coop, and a 12-gauge shotgun and 1 cartridge was recovered. No arrest has been made, but the police stated that investigations are continuing. A motorcyclist is now dead after the bike he was driving collided with a motor vehicle on Saturday in Oak Bay, Portland. The biker was only identified as Corey. A video recorded and posted by one of his friends shows the biker indicating to another rider to record him. Reports are that he intentionally went into the oncoming traffic lane in an effort to dodge the vehicle but collided with a white minibus. His friends quickly ran to his aid and rushed him to the hospital, where he was receiving treatment for the injuries he sustained but later succumbed.